and cube root. What is the smallest number by which 675 should be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube? So here 675 is the given number. 675 is not a perfect cube. We need to multiply this with a certain number so that the product is a perfect cube. In order to find what is the least number, we need to do prime factorization. Then only we can find this one. So here if I do prime factorization for 675 means I can use 5 table here. If I use 5 table means 1 5 is 5, remainder 1. We get 3 times remainder 2, which is nothing but 5 times. So again I can use 5 table, 2 times remainder 3, 7 times 35. Now I can use 3 table. If I use 3 table means it is 3 times, 9 times, again 3 table, 3 times, 3 table, 1 time. So let me express this. 675 can be written as 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. So in order to find whether the given number is perfect cube or not, we need to arrange these numbers in the form of triplet. So first let's arrange this one in the form of a triplet. Here we have 5 into 5, which is not a triplet. But look at this one. 3 into 3 into 3. This is a triplet. Which number doesn't have a triplet here? 5 into 5. So let's find how we can change it to a triplet. How can we change it to a triplet? Okay, shall I multiply this one with 5? If I multiply with extra 5 means I can tell this number would become a triplet. So what number must be multiplied? The extra digit which we need to require is 5. So we can tell 5 must be multiplied. 5 must be multiplied. So this is the answer. Let's go to next one. What is the smallest number by which 2916 should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? So again 2916 is not a perfect cube, but we need to divide this with a certain number so that the quotient would become a perfect cube. So we can follow the same steps we followed for the last sum. So here 2916. So 2916, it is a even number, which means we can divide by 2. So let me divide this one by 2. 1 time, 4 time, remainder 1, 5, remainder 1, 8. Again using 2 table, 7 times, 2 times, remainder 1, 9. So 729, I can use 3 table. If I use 3 table means 243 times. Again if I use 3 table means it is 81 time. Again using 3 table, which is nothing but 27 time. Again using 3 table, it is 9 time. Again 3 table, 3 times, 3 table, 1 time. So we can write 2916 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So let's arrange these numbers in form of triplet. If I arranging in triplet, 3 into 3 and 3 into 3 is over. Which number doesn't have a triplet? 2 into 2 doesn't have a triplet, which means this number must be divided. So 2 into 2 must be divided. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. So we can conclude that 4 must be divided. So this is the answer. Let's go to next question. By what least number should 1372 be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube? Also find the cube root of the product so obtained. So we need to find by which number this one should be multiplied, and we need to find the cube root of the product that we obtain later. So let's take this one 1372. So since it is an even number, let me divide it with 2. 6 2s are 12. Remainder 1. So 8 times 16, balance 1, 6. Again 2 table, it is 3, 4, 3. We can use 7 table, 4 times, and remainder is 6. 63 is 9 times. Again 7 table, 7 times. Again 7 table, 1 time. So 1372 can be written as 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Let me arrange this in triplet. So if I arrange in triplet, means 7 into 7 into 7 is a triplet. But 2 into 2 doesn't have a triplet, which means we need to multiply this with another 2. So 1372 into 2. We can write 2 must be multiplied. So we need to find the product. What is the product? We get 1372 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Balance 1. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 2 1s are 2. So 2744. The sum is not over because they are asking find the cube root of the product so obtained. The product so obtained is 2744. We need to find cube root of 2744. We need not to find one more prime factorization because we know that 2744 is nothing but 1372 into 2. 1372, the product is 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 2. So this 2 we can write. So if we rewrite, means we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Let's take cube root for this one. So from cube root, we can take only one number from each triplet. So from this triplet, I can take one number. From this triplet, I can take one number. 2 7s are 14, which is nothing but cube root of 2744 is equal to 14. So this is the answer. For first one, what number must be multiplied? For that one, the answer is 2 must be multiplied. And for the second one, also find the cube root of products obtained. Cube root of products obtained is 14. So this is the answer. You can copy down this one. Let's go to the next question. Find the cube root of minus 412 by 125. Here we are given a negative mixed fraction. In order to find cube root of this one, first we need to convert this negative mixed fraction into improper fraction. So in order to convert this to improper fraction, we need to multiply this 4 into 125. So 4 into 125 is nothing but 500. 500 plus 12 is nothing but 512. So minus 512 divided by 125. So here we have a minus. We can bring minus outside. So we get minus of cube root of 512 by 125. You need to learn a formula here. The formula is, if we have cube root of p by q, we can write cube root for numerator, cube root for denominator. That is cube root of P by cube root of Q. So in the same way, we can split and write this one as cube root of 512 by cube root of 125. So we know the cube table. In cube table, 1 cube 1. So if we go on like this means we get 5 cube is equal to 125. In the same way, if you go means you get 8 cube is equal to 512. So we can write 512 here. 512 can be written as 8 into 8 into 8 by 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. In cube root, we can take one number from each triplet. From this triplet, I am taking 8 and from this triplet, I am taking 5. So here we have minus sign. So let me put minus sign. We get answer as minus 8 by 5. Since the question is given in mixed fraction, we can convert this to mixed fraction. 1 5 is 5, remainder 3. So this is remainder, quotient and divisor. The general form to write a mixed fraction is quotient remainder by divisor. What is the quotient here? 1. Minus sign, so minus 1, remainder 3 by 5. Therefore, the answer is minus 1, 3 by 5. This is the answer. You can copy it on this one. Let's go to next question. If the cube root of 175616 is 56, find the value of cube root of 175.616, 0.175616 plus cube root of 0.00017516. Look at this sum. The numerical numbers are same in all the three forms. Only the variation is it is written in the form of decimal. Look here in question it is given that cube root of 175,616 is equal to 56. In question itself they have given the value of this one. So we can change it to the fractions and we can substitute the value. Take the first one. What is the first one? Cube root of 175.616. So we have 3 decimal places, which means we can multiply and divide this by 1000. So 175.616 into 1000 by 1000. So 1000 and 1000 gets cancelled, so there is no change here. So if it's multiplied by 3 means the decimal point moves 3 places, we get 175,616 by 1000. So cube root of 175.616 can be written as cube root of 175,616 by 1000. So what is the cube root? I already told that cube root of P by Q can be written as cube root of P by cube root of Q. So this can be written as cube root of 175,616 by cube root of 1000. What is cube root of 175,616? In question it is given as 56. So this can be written as 56. What is cube root of 1000? Which is nothing but 10. Which is nothing but 56 by 10. This is 5.6. So we can write cube root of 175.616 is nothing but 5.6. In the same way for the second one, cube root of 0.175616 we can find. So let us find the value for that one. So this can be written as cube root of 175,616. How many decimal places we moved? 6 decimal places we moved. So I can put 6. 5, 6. So cube root of numerator by cube root of denominator. Cube root of P 175616 by cube root of 1000000. So cube root of 175616 nothing but 56 by cube root of 10 lakh is nothing but 100. So this is nothing but 0.56. We can write cube root of 175616 as 0.56. We can substitute 0.56. In the similar way, the last one, cube root of 0.000175,616 is equal to, let's find the value of this one. So we can write this as cube root of 175616 by how many decimal places we moved? 9 decimal places we have moved. So we can put 9 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again splitting and writing we get cube root of 175616 by cube root of 100000000. So this one we know this as 56 by, so here this one can be written as 1000 into 1000 into 1000, which is nothing but 1000. So taking this we get 0.056. Substituting the value, we get 0.000175,616 is nothing but 0.056. So they are adding all these numbers. So we can write 5.6, 0.56, 0.056. Adding we get 6, 1, remainder 1. This is 12. Remainder 1, 6.216. So the final answer is 6.216. So this is the answer. Evaluate cube root of 0.003375. So first we need to change this to a fraction. So we can convert this to fraction. So let's write the numerator 3375 divided by, just put 1 and find how many zeros we have, how many digits we have moved in decimal place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can add 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's find. We know that cube root of P by Q can be written as cube root of P by cube root of Q. So this can be written as cube root of 3375 by cube root of 1000000. So let's find what is the value for the numerator. For that one, we need to do prime factorization. We can use 5 table. If I use 5 table means 5 6 are 30 balance 3. 7 times 35 balance 2. 5 times. So again we can use 5 table. 1 time remainder 1. 3 time remainder 2. 5. Again we can use 5 table. 2 times remainder 3. 7 times. 3 table 9 time. Again 3 table. 3 time. 3 table 1. So the value is 5 into 5 into 5, 3 into 3 into 3. We can write this as cube root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 divided by, this can be written as cube root of 100 into 100 into 100. So in prime factorization, look here. When taking out from cube, we need to take triplet. So here we have a triplet and here we have a triplet. This one is a triplet. From each triplet, we can take only one number. From this triplet, I am taking 5. This triplet, I am taking 3. And from this triplet, I am taking 100. So this is nothing but 15 by 100. 15 by 100 means, look carefully, here we have fraction, but the question is given in decimal. So we need to convert this to decimal. Since it is divided by 100, we can move to 2 decimal points. So this is nothing but 0.15. So the answer is 0.15. You can copy down this one. We'll join you soon with more sums in next video. Thank you.